Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious spring mix salad using an easy method. First, gather your fresh spring mix greens. It's important to gently wash them under cool water to remove any dirt. Then, use a salad spinner or paper towels to thoroughly dry the greens. This step is crucial for a crisp salad. Next, prepare any additional toppings you love, such as colorful vegetables or sweet fruits. Now, let's talk about toppings. The key to a great salad is variety. Think about adding different textures and colors to make it visually appealing and exciting to eat. Consider crunchy elements like toasted pecans or homemade croutons for a satisfying bite. You can also incorporate softer ingredients, such as creamy avocado slices or crumbled feta cheese, to enhance the overall flavor profile. The dressing is vital for bringing all the flavors together. You can choose a light vinaigrette, like a lemon herb dressing, or a creamy option, such as a ranch or blue cheese. Remember to dress your salad just before you plan to serve it to prevent the greens from becoming soggy. Start with about 2 tablespoons of dressing for a medium-sized bowl, then gently toss everything to ensure an even coating. Once your salad is perfectly dressed and tossed, it's ready to be served. For the best experience, enjoy your spring mix salad immediately while the greens are still crisp and the flavors are vibrant. You might want to add a final garnish, perhaps some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for an extra touch. This easy method ensures a delicious and healthy meal every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.